Welcome back, guys. I'm Mark Wong, and today we are in the tech room, your trusty companion for all things tech. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest innovations or a casual user seeking honest reviews, you've come to the right place. Join us as we dive deep into the realm of gadgets, gaming consoles, PCs, and more. In this video, we will be featuring the best pre-built PCs for all budgets in 2025. If your old PC is barely hanging on and you want to upgrade but you don't feel like dealing with the whole build-it-yourself thing, totally get it. Sometimes you just want something that works right out of the box. Lucky for you, pre-built PCs have gotten pretty solid lately with some seriously good options. So whether you're broke or ballin', I got you. We're running through the best options for every budget. Let's get into it. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Also, it's worth noting that the prices can change from time to time, so again, be sure to take a close look at the direct links for the updated price tags. On top of that, be sure to take a look at our landing page in the description for the complete list of all our products. So let's get started. The fifth pre-built PC on our list is the ABS Cyclone Gaming PC, priced at $949, which we have awarded a 4-badge rating. We recently got our hands on the ABS Cyclone Gaming PC, and it definitely delivers for gamers who want solid performance without breaking the bank. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 7600 and paired with an RTX 4060, this rig handles pretty much everything you throw at it. First off, the 32GB DDR5 RAM and 1TB SSD give it smooth multitasking and fast load times. I played Cyberpunk 2077 on ultra settings with DLSS 3.5 enabled, and it ran at a solid 75 to 80 FPS, way above expectations for this price range. I also tried Call of Duty Warzone at max settings, hitting a stable 120 FPS, which is more than enough for competitive gaming. The performance is backed by a good motherboard, Asus Prime B650M, and a 650-watt 80-plus gold PSU, keeping everything cool and efficient. The Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 are great for seamless connectivity, and the VR readiness is a nice touch if you're into that. However, while it offers great performance now, its components might struggle to keep up with more demanding games or applications in the future. Our team recommends this for gamers who want smooth 1080p and 1440p gameplay without spending a fortune. The fourth pre-built PC on our list is the AVGPC Max Gaming PC, priced at $1,254, which we have awarded a 4-badge rating. If you're looking for a solid mid-range choice, this is it, and for what's inside, it actually packs a solid punch. So right off the bat, this thing has an AMD Ryzen 7 5700X processor and an RTX 4070 Super graphics card. That means we're looking at really smooth 1440p gaming and even some solid 4K performance in certain games. Now, if you're gaming at 1080p, this thing is absolute overkill. You'll be getting over 200 FPS in a lot of competitive shooters. One feature we really appreciate is the 240mm liquid cooler. It keeps the Ryzen 7 nice and cool, especially if you're gaming for long hours. The case has solid airflow, so you won't be cooking your components anytime soon. Plus, a 650-watt gold-rated PSU means you're getting stable power without wasting electricity. Not to mention, it looks clean and sleek, no unnecessary RGB overload. You're also getting 16GB of DDR4 RAM, which is fine for gaming, but if you're into streaming, video editing, or heavy multitasking, 32GB would be better. For storage, you get a 1TB NVMe SSD, which is fast and should be enough for most people, but if you're installing a ton of games, you might want extra storage down the road. AVGPC Max Gaming PC is a great mid-range option that balances cost and performance well, but if you're looking for the absolute best upgrade path, take note that the B550 motherboard isn't as future-proof as newer options. Our team recommends this for casual streamers and creators. The Ryzen 7 5700X plus RTX 4070 Super combo handles gaming and streaming very well. The third pre-built PC on our list is the IPASON Gaming Desktop, priced at $1,399, which we have awarded a 4-badge rating. This PC is powered by the Ryzen 7 5700X processor and RTX 4060 graphics card, which is a decent combo for 1080p and even some 1440p gaming. The 5700X's 8 cores and 16 threads give it solid multitasking power, so whether you're gaming, streaming, or editing videos, it'll hold up well. On the other hand, the RTX 4060 is great for entry-level ray tracing, but don't expect ultra-smooth 4K gaming. It's better suited for 1080p high refresh rates or 1440p at medium settings. Cooling is a strong point with this build. It comes with a 240mm AIO liquid cooler and 4 ARGB fans, which should keep temperatures in check. Build quality looks solid. The case has fully transparent panels, which is great if you love showing off your setup. One of the big questions is how future-proof this PC is. Well, it's great as is, but you can upgrade if needed. The GPU is solid, but you can swap it for a stronger one later. The CPU is powerful enough for gaming, though upgrading it might require a better motherboard. For RAM, you're already getting 32 gigabytes of DDR4, which is plenty for gaming and multitasking. If you ever need more, you can upgrade to 64 gigabytes, but for most people, 32 gigabytes is more than enough. As for storage, you get a 1 terabyte NVMe SSD, which is super fast and gives you plenty of space for games and programs. If you need more storage later, you can add another SSD or a traditional HDD. So overall, this PC has decent upgrade potential, but it's already well equipped for most gamers. However, take note that the default fans don't spin or light up automatically. You have to use the included remote to control them. Our team recommends this for casual streamers or content creators who don't need high-end specs but still want a reliable machine. The second pre-built PC on our list is the Skytech King 95 Gaming PC, desktop priced at $1,999, which we have awarded a 4-badge rating. First up, the Ryzen 7 7800X 3D. This CPU is a beast for gaming. In fact, it's one of the best gaming CPUs right now thanks to its 3D V-Cache, which gives it a huge performance boost in CPU-intensive games like CS2 and Fortnite. Pair that with the AMD Radeon RX 9070 with 16 gigabytes of memory. This makes it a 1440p monster and even holds its own in 4K gaming. If you want high refresh rates, this build will not disappoint. One of the coolest things about this build is its upgradability, making it a good long-term investment. If you ever want more power, you can swap out the GPU for an RTX 5000 series or future AMD cards, no problem. The Ryzen 7 7800X3D is already a beast, but if you're feeling extra, you could go for a Ryzen 9 down the line. Also, thanks to 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM operating at 6000 megahertz, multitasking is buttery smooth. You can have Discord, OBS, and Chrome tabs running without slowing down, but if you ever need more, you can bump it up to 64 gigabytes. In terms of storage, this PC comes with a 1 terabyte Gen 4 NVMe SSD, which is 30 times faster than a traditional HDD. Load times, practically non-existent. Cooling-wise, it sticks with air cooling, but the case has solid airflow. The 850-watt gold PSU is a nice touch. Future GPU upgrades won't be a problem. Only thing to keep in mind is the air cooling. It's solid, but it might limit overclocking potential. So if you plan on pushing performance further, a cooling upgrade could be worth considering. Our team recommends this for 4K gamers and content creators who want a future-proof, pre-built, and longevity. This PC has good upgrade potential. The best pre-built PC on our list is the AVGPC FrostFire Creator Series Gaming PC, priced at $2,499, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. First off, the Ryzen 7 7800X 3D, one of the best gaming CPUs, period. This thing is built for speed, efficiency, and insane frame rates. Then there's the RTX 4080 Super. This GPU is ridiculous in all the right ways. It's capable of running ray tracing and DLSS in 4K without dropping frames. Seriously, if you're into high-res gaming and want to max out Cyberpunk 2077, Call of Duty, or any of those demanding titles, this is the GPU to beat. And man, the 64 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM. This is for people who don't want to deal with lag or stutter when running heavy apps or multiple programs at once. That's double the standard for gaming PCs. Now let's talk storage, because 2 terabytes of Gen 4 NVMe SSD is no joke. This storage is super fast and has enough space to hold all your games, videos, and files. You're getting speeds up to 30 times faster than traditional HDDs, meaning boot up times are crazy quick and loading screens are practically non-existent. What about cooling? This rig is overbuilt with a 360mm AIO liquid cooler, meaning your system stays ice cold even when it's pushing all its power. Paired with an 850 watt gold PSU, it provides efficient, reliable power for stability during intense use and is future-proof for upgrades. And let's not forget the full tower Cooler Master case. It's not just a pretty face, it's got ample space for airflow, so you're getting maximum cooling potential and an easy upgrade path down the road. Overall, this PC is a powerhouse which delivers a premium experience through and through. But yeah, that kind of performance comes with a hefty price tag of $2,499, so it's definitely an investment. Our team recommends this for hardcore gamers and professionals who need top-tier gaming and rendering performance. And there you have it, folks, the 5 best pre-built PCs for all budgets in 2025. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button. If you have a question or a product you want us to review, be sure to drop your recommendations in the comments below. Until next time, this is Mark signing off, reminding you to stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our tech rooms great.